Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be going over a savings highway global review. And what I've chosen for today is to talk about having your own savings portal and what it means to you. All right, because the ladies are going to shop, but for us men, let's start out with the men. Right, you know, a car is a big thing. What if you could save up to $4,500 on a new or used car? I think that's a pretty big savings right there by itself. And then if you're driving a car, of course you're going to have car insurance. We have members that save anywhere from $500 to $2,500 on your car insurance. That's a big one. All right. So, also, uh, shopping online, anywhere from Targets to Costco to Sam's Club to Walmart, you can pull in big savings on these particular items. Now we got to eat, right? So grocery shopping. What if you could take and print out coupons, on a weekly basis and save when you're out there doing your weekly shopping? That would be something worthwhile. And of course, we're going to different events. Anything from this is the movie season that's upon us, so you're always going to look for savings on movie tickets, events, shows, theme parks, and more. Up to 75% savings. That's a big one. And of course, since the football season is upon us, I thought I'd save that one to last, up to 25% off on football tickets. Now, you have only seen a small part of the savings waiting for you in your savings portal. So I look forward to providing you with more information.